Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris and you're watching Trebon Designs. So let's jump right in. Today is special because this is my shop with me. Here I am in Arlington, Texas at Decorators warehouse where I actually found this collection, which is the champagne and rose gold. This is actually the key color scheme I'm doing for my Christmas special. You'll definitely love what I'm putting together for my Decorators selection this year. This place is so fantastic because it has so many different color selections and ideas. Here you'll see the traditional red and gold collection. Here's another look and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this collection. Definitely can't forget the pops of lime green, black, red, and white. I think this is so fun and interesting. And here's a teardrop. I love those too. This is something unique. I love the black and white with tones of frost and gray. This was absolutely beautiful. And this is the matching garland. Very unique. As you can see, the poinsettia has frost on it. I absolutely love that. Now I'm in Dallas at one of my other favorite places, which is Designer Silk Gallery. They have amazing product here. Let's see what goodies we can find today. Now that we're officially in the holiday season, I just want to show you some of the product that this shop has for Christmas, fall, and any other holiday decor. There's such a vast variety of things to select from. It's like Christmas threw up in here. I absolutely love this place as well. There's just so many things to choose from. And you get lost in here, which is fine for me. I absolutely love that. So just follow me around and we'll see what goodies they have in here. I just want to reiterate that they have all kinds of product here. In particular, flowers that you could use for special events or weddings. You definitely want to check this place out if you are looking for beautiful silks. Here are some of the candelabras and glass stands. They have a lot of beautiful product. Some new things I saw that I definitely will be looking to purchase. But once again, thank you so much for coming onto my channel. My name is Chris and you are watching Trebon Designs. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all social media so you don't miss any new uploads. Bye.